Hey guys, welcome to the Evan Show. Today I'm going to be having an Easter video. I got some eggs that I colored, but I still have two more that are blank, which is white. And we have like cool eggs. So my dad drew a Superman one, which is so cool. Look at Superman's symbol, guys. I made a unicorn one, and then my dad made a Mickey Mouse, and he made an Elmo, Iron Man, and I made Harley Quinn, the Joker, and Catwoman with Shazgaku, and Batman, and I have Poison Ivy. Guys, so these are all of them. Those are all the characters that we drew. So guys, my two blank ones that we have, we're gonna color them, guys. Isn't that amazing? Let's get started. So guys, I'm going to start off with this blank egg. So the first blank egg is going to be the Red Ranger from Power Rangers, guys. So we're going to color in the Red Ranger. Let's find my color. Red is like a potato head. See? The Red Ranger from Power Rangers. We're going to do two different colors, so I wouldn't say it's the Red Ranger. I would say it is the Black and Red Ranger. Because we're doing a Black and Red Ranger, guys, okay? So we're doing this. Actually, no, guys, this is Deadpool. Actually, it's Deadpool. Spanish for Deadpool. So we have all the eggs container. Look, there's one empty slot for a Deadpool. Now let's count all of the eggs now we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 11 eggs, and then we'll have 12. So guys, we have the last blank egg. Then we can get off to another activity. Now we're going to make like the bluest character I'm making. Some green. 2 blues and 1 pink and 1 green. Let's see what character I can make up. I would kind of say Candy. My own character, Candy. So first color we're starting off is pink. Don't you like that? That's a lollipop. Oh, lollipop. Oh, lollipop. Or we can draw like an Easter bunny boing instead of a candy. Hey, my name is Easter Bunny boing. Our other color is green. Oh, green. We have like a silly cloud. And we're going to make a ziggy-zag for a storm. Zigzag. We'll draw over this cool, colorful egg. Now we're going to put the pink one away, but we're still going to keep using the blue. like with pink and blue. We're gonna have it like a water blue color. It says water blue. Oh, this is done. So now we have 12 eggs. I'm gonna show you a magic trick. So we're going to use these colors instead. Put this one at the end. Abracadabra! Make all these Easter eggs disappear! And make these markers disappear! Guys! Where did all my stuff go to color my eggs? This one's not, guys, this one is not made out of magic. It's made out of markers. So let's put them back in my markers. I'll put another one. Abracadabra, make a bag appear. Guys, look, this bag appeared, but there's nothing in it. Let's see what's in it. Something nice and fuzzy. Something blue. Let's take it out. Oh, guys! Look! We have a blue cute Teddy Easter. Hey guys, my name is Easter Bunny. I give out all the eggs. I give out this egg to hand out. I have these eggs I want to give to you guys. I want you to have these eggs, everybody. Happy Easter! And guys, don't forget, like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.